Good morning, children. Let's start chapter 4 Quadratic Equation. Quadratic word you learn in polynomials. Meaning is if degree is 2, that is called quadratic. Equation means whenever we have equal sign. If quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, then if we are writing equal to 0, this is called equation, quadratic equation. You can see here it is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation in which a, b, c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. This is called a quadratic equation in x. X is a variable. Variable can be x, y, z, anything. Here we are taking variable x. Therefore, general equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Some examples I have written. You can see one is x square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Other is 9x square plus 11x plus 30 equal to 0. These are two quadratic equations because both are having degree 2. Now, I want to discuss with you how to find out whether the equation is quadratic or not. On the basis of it, what I have written, let us discuss problem based on determining whether a given equation is a quadratic or not. For this, I have taken first question. You can see x plus 1 square equal to twice of x minus 3. How to find out whether it is quadratic or not? Let's simplify this. On simplification, what to do? On the left hand side, it is a plus b whole square. That's why we have to open by applying a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And on the right hand side, this bracket is multiplied with 2. It will become 2x minus 2 into 3, that is 6. And all the terms we have to take on one side, that is on the left hand side. You know, sign will change. 2x का sign change हो गया और 6 का sign भी change हो जाएगा. And what is left? 0. And after simplifying, we are getting x square plus 7 equal to 0. You can see order is 2. That's why it is called quadratic equation. Therefore, this is quadratic equation. What about in second? Same process we have to follow. Second question is x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. We have to check whether it is quadratic equation or not. For this, again, we have to follow the same procedure. First, we multiply these two brackets. We multiplied it here. Again, we multiply these two. We multiplied it here. Then we have to simplify this equation because it can be simplified, and similarly it can be also simplified. By simplification, we have to shift all the terms on one side, that is on the left hand side. Whatever is cancelled, we have to cancel it. You can see here x square or x square cancel ho gaya because they are having opposite sign. After simplifying, we are getting this equation minus 3x plus 1, and you can see here order of this equation is not 2, that is 1. It means it is not a quadratic equation. So what's the meaning of it? If the order is 2, then it is quadratic. Why we are calling it as equation? Because equal to 0. Quadratic means degree should be 2. Equation means equal should be something. Again, I have taken one more example. You can see here. It is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Again, we have to follow the same procedure. Here we have to follow a minus b whole cube. And you know what is the formula of a minus b whole cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. By applying it, we are getting it, and shift all the terms on one side. And after simplification, we are getting this equation, which is quadratic because its degree is 2. And that's why these are called quadratic equations. Now, next, I want to discuss with you problems based on determining whether the given values are solution of the given equation or not. Which kind of questions are these? Let's read the statement. Determine whether x equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0 or not. मीन्स क्या करना है यहाँ पर x की जगह हमें 2 पुट करना है. यहाँ पर भी x की जगह 2 पुट करना है, यहाँ पर भी x की जगह 2 पुट करना है क्योंकि और कहीं x है ही नहीं. After substituting the value of x, we will find out whether LHS equal to RHS. If LHS equal to RHS, then it is a solution, otherwise it is not. So same process we followed here. Substitute the value of x equal to 2 in this equation. On the left hand side, we are substituting the value of x. After simplification, we are getting LHS. And on the RHS, it is 0. LHS is not equal to RHS. That's why what we say x equal to 2 is not a solution of the given equation. And similarly, we have done in the second part also. Check whether x equal to root 3 and x equal to minus 3 root 3 are solutions of the given equation. Again, we have to follow the same procedure. Here, values of x, root 3 and minus 3 root 3 means we have to substitute both the values one by one. First, we have to consider x equal to root 3 and x equal to root 3 मतलब x की जगह root 3 put करेंगे यहाँ पर भी और यहाँ पर भी. After simplifying it, we are getting 0, which is on right hand side 0. LHS equal to RHS, therefore, what we say x equal to root 3 is a solution of the given equation. And similarly, we have to follow for the second point, that is x equal to minus 3 root 3. Again, we have to replace x as minus 3 root 3. Here it is also minus 3 root 3. After simplifying, after taking its square, we are getting 27. After multiplying it, we are getting 18 plus minus minus, and it is minus 9 as it is. 27 minus 18 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Again, we are getting LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, x equal to minus 3 root 3 is also a solution of the given quadratic equation. On the basis of it, you try exercise 4.1.